Let me start with the story. The first time I booted up the X10, I didn't just notice performance. I felt it. Not in a vague as faster way, in that subtle shift where your system stops interrupting your flow and starts supporting it. This is for the kind of person who is tired of stutters in games, laggy load screens, and long waits when you're trying to create or compete. You know what it is like when your PC is good enough, but not quite right. You've outgrown compromise, and you deserve a machine that actually keeps pace with what you want to do. Before you go any further, check the current price and availability. Systems with this blend of parts and polish don't hang around at steady pricing for long. There is a moment you'll recognize that internal admission when your old setup starts feeling like a limitation instead of a tool. For me, it happened mid-match when a frame drop cost me a crucial moment, and suddenly I realized I'd been settling. Once you experience consistent, smooth performance in games and swift responsiveness across everyday tasks, anything weaker starts to feel like an obstacle you never needed. The relief is instant. Boot times shrink. Load screens fade into the background. Games feel stable instead of jittery. Apps open without hesitation. You not waiting on your machine, you reusing it. That is the shift this raid brings. You stop enduring performance and start trusting it. Day-to-day use changes how you think about your setup. You launch videos or creative projects without wondering if your PC can handle them. You switch tasks without hiccups. You stream or chat while gaming and everything stays smooth. The 32 GB of RAM means multitasking doesn't feel like a negotiation. The 1 TB SSD means storage isn't a decision you have to make twice. And the included 22-inch monitor? It means you're ready from the first second. You expect power like this to come with compromises. Instead, what surprises you most isn't just the performance, it is how balanced it feels. The Ryzen 5 5500 doesn't just chase clocks, it steadies real felt responsiveness. The RTX 3050 doesn't just run titles, it runs them playably and confidently at 1080 type. Once you've experienced that harmony, less capable systems start to feel like they're asking you to manage limitations instead of letting you play. Don't wait around for price dips or stock quirks. Gaming systems this complete get snapped up fast when people finally realize they don't have to choose between performance and everyday usability. If you're hesitant because you think it might be too much PC for what you do now, here is where that flips. This isn't overkill, this is margin. You not just covering today's games, you building space to grow. You not just opening apps, you freeing your workflow. And the surprise benefit. You'll start enjoying your system in moments you used to just tolerate it, and that changes how you use your time. Performance that feels stable in smooth games run confidently at 1080 type. Multitasking feels natural and unforced. Everything loads fast and stays snappy. Your setup finally feels capable and ready. Not high-end enthusiast rigged monitor size, more compact than some at some point. You stop scrolling comparisons and realize you're just delaying the upgrade you already want. Every weaker alternative starts feeling like a step back instead of forward. So if you're ready to stop settling for performance that fluctuates, check availability now. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you think about every time your current PC stutters or waits. When responsiveness finally feels effortless, there is no going back, and this makes that difference unmistakable.